Pad Thai, initially named fried noodles, has a captivating history dating back to World War II. During the 1930s, Thailand faced food shortages, prompting Prime Minister Plaek Phibunsongkhram to embrace a national dish that represented Thai identity using locally available ingredients. Inspired by Chinese stir-fried noodles, Pad Thai emerged as a delectable fusion of rice noodles, tofu, dried shrimp, and a delightful balance of sweet, sour, and savory flavors. Pad Thai soon became a symbol of nourishment and resilience during World War II, providing an affordable and nutritious meal for the people. Prime Minister Plaek Phibunsongkhram expressed his wish for everyone to enjoy Pad Thai, appreciating its health benefits and delightful flavors. He envisioned that if every Thai person savored a bowl of Pad Thai daily, the nation would consume 18 million bowls. This daily cost would amount to 90 million baht, circulating throughout the country, benefiting farmers, fishermen, and numerous communities. The saying highlights the widespread appreciation for Pad Thai and its significance in supporting local communities throughout Thailand. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell for more bite-sized wisdom. Until next time.